We needed a team like Santa Lucia to build our confidence. You know what I'm saying? We a team. We men. What we do, we all got heart. And we don't need a player like whatever his name is for Pure Foods to intimidate us. You know.
Oh, ito mo, di pa parod niya kilala.
Whatever his name is.
Ayan, At ngayon, nagpapakilala nga si Ralimi dito kay Alexander. Pero si Alexander not backing down an inch. And the rivalry continues. Ito na ngayon, si Peter June Simon against Artadi. Simon umangat. Rebound here by Chris Alexander.
We're not even minding the score. This is a close game, ano? At nakakita mo yung kakayahan ng magkabilang kupunan. Hindi lang magdikitan, kundi makuha, mabalik yung kalamangan. But now, Ginebras on top by 4.
Ito, no look pass to Artadi. Hindi na kompleto. Bounce pass to Peter June Simon. Simon off balance. Nawala ng bola. Here's Paul Artadi swinging down court. Artadi against Yap. Bounce pass niya. Nawala pa dito kay Ronald Tubid.
Artadi's out of sync. Wala siya sa tempo. Mabilis pa rin pero hindi ito ang dating galaw nitong si Artadi. He's out of control in this game.
So our score remains a 62-58 with under 2 minutes remaining here in the third quarter. Ralimi, top of the key. Here's Roger Yap at the corner. 10 seconds to shot clock ng Pure Foods. Roger Yap uses Enrico Villanueva screen. Nalibre ng bahagya. And that's all he needed.
Para kay Roger Yap, matitipid din ang mga puntos itong si Roger Yap. Kada quarter, tigda 2 puntos lang ang ini-score nito.
Ito na ngayon si Paul Artadi. Pinatitira rin sa labas ito si Roger Yap. Pero sumugod sa loob si Artadi. And Artadi gets the layup.
Yun lang ang kailangan gawin ni Artadi. Use his speed. Kapagkat the heft at saka itong height ay pabor na pabor dito kay Roger Yap.
Well, pinapain siya ni Yap na tumira sa labas no? Pero hindi kumagat sa pain. Ito, kanina pa rin itong dalawang to si Paul Artadi at si Roger Yap.
At foul ang tatawag, the second personal foul on Paul Artadi, both on Roger Yap. Yung una nga kanina, offensive nature pa.
Roger Yap, this time he's guarded by J.J. Helterbrand. They go to Peter June Simon. 6 seconds sa shot clock dito ng Pure Foods. Ralimi nag-iisip kung titira ng test, tumira na rin. Hindi pumasok.
He can do a lot of things, but you know, to successfully make a shot from the 3-point territory is not his cup of tea.
Ito rin si Artadi, sumugod ulit. Artadi gets another layup. At tumuro pa dito sa crowd ng Barangay Ginebra.
Yun dapat niya talagang gawin, for a higher percentage shot that can boost his morale and bring his rhythm back.
It's Roger Yap orchestrating the play para sa Pure Foods. Yap goes closer. Binigay kay Rico Villanueva. Bumangga kay Alexander. Rebound ni Ralimi pero may foul. Ralimi is very busy here at the boards on offensive glass para dito sa Pure Foods. Penalty na yan, Barangay Ginebra. That's the second foul on Billy Mamaril.
At paupo na sana si Billy Mamaril. But apparently mukhang hindi siyang papaltan at pinapalibon siya. Mukhang si Chris Alexander ang pagpapahingahin muna dito as we see Ralimi na nasa free throw line. So far with 20 points. He's leading all scorers in this ball game, making 21. As his counterpart Chris Alexander leaves the court to get some minutes of rest. At si Eric Menk ang pumalit dito. So Ralimi, at binabanggit nga natin, pagdating sa endurance, he has more of it than Chris Alexander.
So si Ralimi now establishing a new conference high, 22 points. Previously, 21 lamang po ang conference high nitong si Reda Ralimi.
At third quarter pala tayo.
Third quarter pala tayo. Ito nga si Helterbrand, nakawala kay Roger Yap. Pero pinawal muna siya nito si Roger Yap.
At you see the discipline in J.J. Helterbrand. He's been shooting very well, but since the plan of the team is to bring the ball to their import Chris Alexander, he's not deviating from that plan. But now that Alexander is outside, I think the touches should go to J.J.
Ito na ngayon si Billy Mamaril. Oh, that's a shooting foul given up by Rico Villanueva.
napatakam eh. At awkward yung dribble ni Billy Mamaril papasok. Gustong agawin. Ito si Rico. At sumabit. Pangalawa for Rico Villanueva na binabanggit natin parang namamahay pa. Ito si Rico Villanueva sa paglipat niya dito sa kupunan ng Pure Foods. Dahil na rin, I think, sa kanyang posisyon. He was traded para sa kupunan ng Pure Foods dahil ang gusto ng Pure Foods makakuha ng panetro. But this is an import-laced conference. That's why Ralim is the one filling in that position. At si Rico Villanueva nakikipagpalitan na lamang ng oras dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
Ito yung second free throw ni Billy Mamaril. Split from the line. 1.5 seconds na lamang natitira. Pinato ni Roger Yap. And that will end things after the end of 3 quarters, mga kaibigan. And ito po Barangay Ginebra looking good so far. Pero not yet out of the woods dahil 5 po ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra at the end of the 3rd quarter.